Nissan's new locally re-engineered and developed Navara N-Trek Warrior is here, and what better place to put this off-road enhanced tough truck through its paces than Victoria's rugged high country. The new flagship of the Navara range, this 4x4 dual cab ute is based on the Navara N-Trek. The Warrior, however, has been modified by local firm Premcar and comes with a range of upgrades to boost both off-road and on-road performance, while retaining its 3,500 kilo towing limit and full 5-year factory warranty. Premcar has sourced components from a range of local suppliers, including beefed up shocks from Munro, a hoopless bull bar from EGR, a Hella LED light bar and a bash plate and tow bar from Frontline. The Navara N-Trek Warrior rides on 17-inch roster alloys fitted with 32.2-inch Cooper all-terrain tyres, and with black fender flares, increased ride height and width, it all adds up to an impressively imposing stance. There's also a range of Warrior-specific cosmetic upgrades, on top of the long list of black components and extras ushered in with the Navara N-Trek to cap off the Black Ops look. At the national launch of the Navara N-Trek Warrior, we tackled plenty of tight and rocky trails, including the stunning Blue Rag range track. And it's here that this Warrior truly shines. Between the suspension changes and the new rims and 32.2-inch Cooper ATs, we're talking ground clearance of 268mm, and that means we can clamber our way around, over and up obstacles that would see a standard Navara dragging its belly. The drivetrain carries over, with the 2.3 litre twin-turbo diesel mated to either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic transmission. It falls mid-pack for output these days, but produces solid, dependable grunts, and is certainly sufficient for what we're doing here. The Warrior inspires confidence in the rough stuff and is far more composed over a variety of off-road situations. But it's more refined on the road too, where it feels more sure-footed and more responsive than the standard Navara, while displaying less body roll. I have to say the highlight of this package for me is the suspension. Premcar have done a great job with setting up these springs and dampers. We're dropping down the side of Blue Rag range track at the moment. We've just come down from the trig point. Pretty rocky going, reasonably steep, but it's just so refined, so lovely and compliant. Soaks up big hits really well and recovers quickly. But impressively, it's good on the higher speed stuff. Premcar have really pulled off quite a trick with this upgrade. Inside the cab, there's heated seats and a new infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the cab's still on the utilitarian side, and the Navara still misses out on the latest safety advances, like AEB, lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. As the new flagship of the Navara range, the Navara N-Trek Warrior gives Nissan Australia a premium dual cab ute for the growing ranks of demanding, lifestyle-oriented buyers willing to spend that bit extra. We've seen what it can do here in Victoria's high country, and it's clear this is Nissan's toughest Navara yet, and one that is sure to bring extra sales momentum to Navara's lineup.